Hello viewers, welcome once again to BIRAGO Studios. Today we are going to create a recycled bell from a broken cylinder. I've been thinking about this and I've decided to give it a try. So join me, stay tuned, and let's see how this project turns out. I know it's going to be very exciting. Remember to subscribe to my channel BIRAGO Studios and come join me. So viewers, this is the outcome of the work that we've been doing together. I am so excited. You have no idea. I'm so excited because it's really looking good, and I think you agree with me. And it sounds very well. So I'll demonstrate how it sounds. Turning a completely broken down cylinder into this commercial bell, it's a remarkable thing. So thanks so much. Let me demonstrate it. So this is how it works. So thanks so much for staying with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel BIRAGO Studios, and then on TikTok, Facebook and Instagram it's BIRAGO Studios and Art Gallery. And if you want to actually learn any of my skill sets, there's an option on my website. The website is displayed below. There's an option, a learning option there. Just click there, follow the process, and let's work together. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in my next video.